Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.05. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 12.84% since we first identified Amazon as a buy candidate 43 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.3% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20.46% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 15.79% and 21.72%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 14.34%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from negative 12.82% to 27.52% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $201.40 and $294.57. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, "A red day on Tuesday for Amazon stock after losing 0.765%. The Amazon stock price fell by 0.765% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, decreasing from $232.79 to $231.01. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.91%, with a day low at $230.31 and a day high of $234.72. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.06% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 7 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 33 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.68 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $242.52. While the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 4.75%, or $11.51, below the 52-week high and 82.30%, or $1,074.19, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon stock has gained momentum as anticipation builds around its upcoming earnings release. Analysts expect that the results for the second quarter will showcase robust performance, particularly from Amazon Web Services, driven by enhanced artificial intelligence capabilities through platforms like Amazon Bedrock. This optimism is reflected in the stock's recent appreciation, trading just under its all-time high after a rally of 45% since April. Moreover, the broader market sentiment is positive, bolstered by a reported trade deal between the United States and the European Union, aimed at reducing tariffs. This could benefit Amazon as it continues to focus on maintaining competitive pricing, while denying reports of recent price increases due to tariffs. The company asserts its commitment to providing low prices to customers, which may further strengthen its market position. Additionally, with Amazon-backed Skilled AI unveiling a versatile artificial intelligence model for robotics, the company is expanding its footprint in the tech sector. This aligns with the growing trend of investing in artificial intelligence, and while NVIDIA remains the leader, Amazon is positioning itself as a substantial player in the AI ecosystem. Short-term impacts on Amazon's stock price could be heightened by positive earnings results, potentially driving the stock closer to previous highs. In the long term, continuing enhancements in artificial intelligence and service offerings could solidify Amazon's growth trajectory, making it an attractive option for investors looking for quality growth stocks. Overall, favorable analysts' ratings and the momentum in tech earnings present a strong backdrop for Amazon as it approaches key financial announcements. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AMZN a buy rating alongside a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley rated AMZN as overweight while also recommending a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, Piper Sandler provided AMZN with an overweight rating and suggested a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Citigroup rated AMZN as market outperform, also advising a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, Roth Capital gave AMZN a buy rating, recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there is anticipated support at 230.36 and 220.95. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, July 28, 2025, and to date, the stock has decreased by 0.765%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Thus, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals you may find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 61 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a sell signal 27 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 36 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $223.30. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.41 between its high and low, which is 1.91%. Throughout the last week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 1.3%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This reflects a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.31. It is wise to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $231.44. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Jeffrey Bezos, who bought and sold 4,800,655 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 97.989. Overall, insiders purchased 178,735 shares and sold 26,193,280 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $224.24, reflecting a decrease of 2.93%. This stock exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, which indicates a lower level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of July, we expect Amazon to open higher by $1, starting at $232.01. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.